Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru, and today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Notion account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to sign up for a Notion text AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address notion.so and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of notion.ai or Notion AI itself. And over here on the home page of Notion, you can see there is the Get Notion free button available for us, as well as a login button available for us. If you've already created a Notion AI account, then you can simply log into your account. But we'll be signing up for a Notion AI, so we will be clicking on the Notion of Get Notion free button over here. So let's do that. And over here, guys, you can see this is the sign up page of the Notion, where you'll be required to enter your email address with which you want to log in or use the Notion AI for the future. I'm using this email, and you can also direct log in to your Google account, your Apple account from over here. If you click on either of these buttons, guys, a login page to Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you will have signed up for your Notion AI account with your Gmail or your Apple accounts. With that being said, guys, after entering your work email, simply click on continue with email, and a code will be sent to you on your email. Go to your email address and receive that code. And over here, guys, at the top of the screen, you can see there is the email sent by Notion, and there is our code, and let's copy and paste it over here, and let's click on the create a new account. And on the next step, we'll be required to customize our account like this. So let's enter our name and our password. And guys, you can also choose to add your own photo. If you want to click on add photo to go to a procedure to choose your photo from your computer. And with that being said, guys, after entering your name and your password, simply click on continue, and you will have made an account on the Notion AI, but you will have to customize it for yourself. So I'm just going to use it personally, so I'm just choosing the personal use. You can choose any of these. And there, guys, we are on the home page of the dashboard of Notion. You can see currently it's the learn page, so here you can do anything you want with your Notion AI. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Notion AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.